RDDT, stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. You know, I am the only guy in this world that has done 47,000 videos like this over 5 years, and it's all documented on this YouTube channel. And because I have the data, I've seen what's making money and what's not. And especially as I'm sitting with Reddit here, bro, such a beauty. You know, I've been buying this way beforehand, like way beforehand. If you want to learn how to make 10K per month, click the... So 109, it was sitting at the time 3 months ago, and from 109 we've reached, bro, more than doubled. We're 264 now, and it's been this beautiful delivery to the upside, which, by the way, I'm still just looking to double down. You know, I'm not looking to do anything other than buy more. So I'm kind of late already on this point, but if the price corrects down where it is right now pre-market and it gives me the proper confirmation, nothing is in my way to just doubling down, buying more. So all I'm certainly doing, just waiting. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.